Welcome. If you want to manage app permissions in your HUAWEI MatePad T10, and at first you have to go for the settings. Right now, let's go for apps. Then move for the permission manager. And for example, we can change location info. So click here. And right now, as you can see, we can grant permission by tapping on one of this application. So click, and then we can choose one of this function, allow only while using and allow all the time. Then just go back, and you can also adjust other application like weather. We can grant the permission to the weather. And when we change the settings, we have here new permission, because these apps were denied, and right now when we grant the permission, they are allowed all the time. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya.